I've had a bit of a problem the last couple of days with the rice and beans. They make me very windy, so I'm doing a lot of farting. That you farted on me.
Touche. Touche.
I woke myself up with my own fart.
He was giving us a little bit of a foghorn, so we're paying a compliment.
I had to have a look, 'cause I thought she put a hole in her shorts. It come out with some velocity. I don't know if that's because she's Olympian, they fart differently to us, but it was definitely a more powerful fart than I've ever done myself. In fact, you got a bit of wind.
Yeah.
Are you spreading the love?
Yeah. Fatima, yeah.
And because I love her so much, I quite appreciated it.